on my back I've got the 55 litre Cobra dry bag by Arbortec. Let's take a look. Okay, so we've got reinforced carry handles at the top on all four corners, drop tested to 50 kilos, so you can really pack the stuff in. Really durable design. Let's take a look inside. We've got another zipper lid straight into the drawer sack opening, and we're demoing this with a rigging kit inside, a fairly comprehensive rigging kit. So we've got a small deadeye sling, we've got a big deadeye sling, flying capstan, 50-metre lowering line, a mess. Take a look in the compartments. Lifting slings, big one, small one, handy zippered compartment on the side here for assorted tape slings, one swing cheek pulley, two swing cheek pulleys, and an ISC flame block. Final compartment on the back side, we've got an X-ring sewn into another deadeye. We've got the gear loops on the four corners that we stuck steel carabiners to, and that is the 55 litre Cobra dry bag by Arbortec.